In this video, we will show you how to replace the word lists you already have in your page set with the updated word lists. This will allow you to keep all of the customization to all of the pages except for the word list pages. Only the word list pages will be overwritten. Listen up because this is important. You should only use these steps if you only want to replace your word lists with the updated version. If you have made a lot of changes to your word lists and you want to copy and paste your changes into the updated word lists, then you should watch video 4 titled Copy and Paste Customized Word Lists. A couple of things before we get started. First, make sure that you're running version 1.10 or later of Snap software. Pause here if you need to go check. Second, it's always best practice to back up your page set, especially before making any significant changes. Pause here to follow the step-by-step instructions to back up your page set if you haven't already. Now that you've checked your software version and backed up, you're all set to go. If you have not made a lot of edits, the easiest, most straightforward way to get the updated word list would be to just create a new Core First page set. The updated word lists will automatically be included. Pause here to view the steps for creating a new page set. If you have made some changes to topics and quickfires, but you have not made many edits to the word lists, then we recommend that you import the updated word lists into the page set you already have. All of your edits will remain intact, but your current word lists will be replaced with the updated ones. First, you will need to download the updated word list page package from PageSet Central and save it to your desktop or somewhere where you can easily find it. Pause here to go download the page package. To import the updated word lists into your current page set, go to Edit, select Page, select Import Export Pages, select Import Page Bundle from a local file. Select Browse and then go find the updated word list page package file that you downloaded from PageSet Central. And then select Open and Next. On the Review Page Bundle screen, you will see a red warning icon next to each page, indicating that the page to be imported conflicts with an old page. Select one of the warning icons, and then select Overwrite Existing Page with the imported one. Make sure to select Do this for all the page conflicts in this bundle, and then select OK. Then select Import. When it's finished importing, the updated word lists should now be imported and linked in your current page set. Select Done. The updated word list package also includes a special word forms page for the forms of the verb to be. This is already linked in the updated word list pages that have a word forms button. But this needs to be linked manually to the core page. To do this, go to the core page, select Edit, select the Word Forms button, and select Delete. Double-click on the Actions page, select the Word Forms button, and select Copy. Double-click on the Core Words button to go back to the Core Words page. Select Paste, and the new Word Forms button will be pasted onto your core page.